One of the world's most expensive perfumes may contain something made inside a whale, and people called it floating gold. Luxury perfumes are often linked with rare flowers, exotic oils, and expensive ingredients. But hidden behind some legendary fragrances is a mysterious substance connected to the ocean and sperm whales. And sperm whales are extraordinary creatures themselves. They are the largest toothed predators on Earth, capable of diving over 1000 meters deep and holding their breath for more than an hour while hunting giant squid in the dark ocean depths. But these giants of the sea are famous for something even stranger than their size. It's called ambergris, often nicknamed whale perfume or even whale vomit. And its story is stranger than fiction. So, what exactly is ambergris and why did perfume makers treasure it for centuries? Ambergris is a rare waxy substance produced inside the digestive system of sperm whales. Sperm whales feed heavily on squid, and squid have hard, sharp beaks that are difficult to digest. Scientists believe the whale creates this waxy material to protect its intestine from those sharp pieces. Over time, the material forms into a lump known as ambergris. Here's where the mystery begins. Many people call ambergris whale vomit, but scientists are still debating exactly how it leaves the whale's body. Some believe it may be regurgitated, while others think it passed through the intestine naturally. And freshly expelled ambergris, it doesn't smell luxurious at all. In fact, fresh ambergris has a strong, unpleasant odor. But after floating in the ocean for years, exposed to sunlight, salt water, and oxygen, something incredible happens. It hardens and transforms into a substance with a rich, musky, sweet, and ocean like scent. That transformation made ambergris one of the history's most prized perfume ingredients. But why were perfume companies willing to pay so much for it? Ambergris contain compounds linked to ambrin, which help fragrances stay on the skin much longer. In perfume making, this is called a fixative, an ingredient that slows evaporation and makes scents last for hours. That's why ambergris became famous in luxury perfumery and earned the nickname floating gold. Some historic perfumes relied on it for their legendary staying power. And here's an interesting twist. For centuries, people had no idea where ambergris came from. Some believed it was hardened sea foam. Others thought it was dragon spit or material from the ocean itself. Its true connection to sperm whales was only confirmed much later. But if ambergris is so valuable, why don't perfumes commonly use it today? Let me tell you about modern perfume industry. Today, natural ambergris is extremely rare because sperm whales are protected and wildlife laws are strict in many countries. Most modern perfume companies use synthetic alternatives such as Ambroxan instead. These ingredients recreate the warm ambergris scent without relying on rare whale derived material. And here's an important fact for viewers in India. The possession and trade of ambergris are heavily restricted and considered illegal under wildlife protection laws because sperm whales are protected species. So, despite its legendary status, real ambergris is now more myth than mainstream perfume ingredient. But before I close this video, let me share something even more unbelievable. Why is ambergris sometimes worth lakhs or even millions of rupees? And what makes this strange substance from the ocean so incredibly expensive? It's expensive because it's rare, transformed by years in the ocean, and prized by luxury perfumers. That's why people call it floating gold. So, what looks like an ordinary lump drifting through the sea can become one of the world's most mysterious and valuable natural substances. And the next time you hear the phrase whale perfume, remember it's not simply whale vomit. It's a rare ocean mystery, a substance transformed by time, salt water, and nature into one of the perfumery's most fascinating ingredients. Nature can be strange, but sometimes strange becomes priceless. And now, special shout out time. This fascinating video was suggested by Storytime by Uncle Bill. Thank you so much for the awesome idea and for supporting the channel. Keep those amazing suggestions coming. This is my third video exploring biotechnology and science related mysteries after caramine and lipstick and will men disappear. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoy fascinating science and hidden truths, stay tuned for more. And don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching Fact Frenzy by Sweta. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.